In this video, we're going to provide a brief overview of the QC and review options in Closed Caption Creator. This video is part of our Audio Description for Beginners course, where we teach you how to create audio descriptions and describe video using Closed Caption Creator. If you work in a team environment, there may be a person who is responsible for reviewing audio descriptions and providing feedback. Feedback can be given in multiple ways. The easiest way to provide feedback is by marking events as failed. You can click the approval icon twice until it shows a red circle with an X. Another method is to add notes or comments to an event using the Notes and Reply component. Notes and replies can be marked as done once they have been actioned. You will also notice that the comment icon will change from yellow to green when a comment has been marked as done. Another option for providing feedback is using custom tags. Tag groups can be created in the Custom Tag Manager. Here you can create a group and insert tag terms for specific QC states. For example, needs review, pass, fail, or spelling error. Tag groups provide more customization options to your workflow. Finally, the last option is to use custom markers. Markers work a little differently than tags and notes. Markers are not assigned to an event, they are assigned to a place on the timeline, which means they exist outside of the event group and are visible even when changing event groups in a project. We hope this video was helpful in showing you some of the options available when reviewing audio description projects in Closed Caption Creator. In the next series of videos, we'll look at some of the different export options for generating script files, cue sheets, and broadcast audio files.